We're running the numbers with Android on today's App Judgment. This episode of App Judgment is brought to you by Netflix. Welcome to App Judgment, Revision 3's mobile phone application review show. My name is Ron Richards, and today I'm going to be looking at a couple of the most exciting applications for Android ever, Spreadsheets. If you're like me, you have a job, and you work in an office-like environment, there's a pretty good chance you've encountered the wonders of spreadsheets. These little collections of cells and rows and columns are standard in any office environment. By having a smartphone, not only can I do the fun stuff with my phone, like listen to music and use the internet, but since it's basically a mini computer, I like to have it with me so I can deal with work on the road, and that means I need a way to access and edit spreadsheets. To do this, I found two applications in the Android marketplace. Spreadsheet by Byte Squared, which sells for 99 pence, which is British for 99 cents, and Spreet Pro by Keith Wiley, which sells for $3.99. Let's start at the application that I'm going to have the hardest time saying, Spreet Pro. Upon startup, I realized it doesn't have a slick look and feel that you come to expect from a Pro app that you pay money for. It's very bare bones and to the point in its UI. On the main screen, you see a simple plain text list of files that you can open. To create a new spreadsheet, you hit the menu button and choose Add Table. Along the top, you can enter your spreadsheet's title, and then you're given one cell to start. One cell? Really? I'll be honest, the first time I opened up a new spreadsheet, I was completely lost. One cell? What the hell can I do with one cell? You can add additional cells, rows, and columns by pressing Menu and choosing Insert, Delete, Rows, Columns, which opens up a window to let you do just that, and you can instantly see the problem with this application. The UI isn't clear, and when you need to find what you need, it's thrown together in a kludgy fashion. I tried to import an existing spreadsheet from Excel, and while Spreet Pro was able to open the XLS file, I lost the formatting in one row, and the formulas broke for the majority of my cells. I could go into more detail about the other features like formatting cells and setting up formulas and calculations, which do exist inside the app. But let's hop over and check out the better named Spreadsheet. Opening a workbook in Spreadsheet is a breath of fresh air, looking almost exactly like Excel, with rows and columns ready to receive data. You can easily maneuver around the cells with your trackball. Data and text entry is a breeze. Just tap the cell and start typing. Hit Menu to bring up the various tools you need to customize and work with your spreadsheet. Hit Format and you can access a myriad of ways to format your data. Font styles, data types, alignments, and border controls, it's all there. One of the most used formulas in any spreadsheet is sum. Hit the sum button and it pre-populates the formula bar with equals, sum, parentheses, and you're ready to pop in the cells you need to tally. So simple. If you need another type of formula, just tap Function to get a list of all the types of functions along with great descriptions. Using Spreadsheet is ridiculously easy. It's like having Excel on my phone. But how does it deal with opening an existing file from Excel? Just tap on your XLS file and voila, Spreadsheet opens it up with no problem, with all formatting and formulas intact. I do have one complaint that applies to both applications. Getting an existing Excel spreadsheet actually into both apps was extremely annoying. If I'm on the road and someone emails me a spreadsheet, I want to be able to click it and open it up instantly, which neither app can do. Instead, I have to save the file from my email to my SD card, open my file system manager, copy the XLS file into the folder for the spreadsheet application, and only then will the app see the document for opening. It's that sort of hassle that makes working remotely inefficient. Let's take a break and hear about the hot apps of the day, and then I'll be back with the breakdown.
Hey everyone, Eileen here. Stick around for the hot app of the day, okay? TruePhone for the Android has just been updated. This free app allows you to make free and low-cost international calls, and you don't necessarily need Wi-Fi. You can also use the app to call your friends who have Skype and Google Talk accounts. The developers claim that this version for the Android is faster, more responsive, and much more user-friendly. Check it out and let us know what you think. Now, for the iPhone, I have a ton of new apps to choose from. CNN, Zipcar, iTV, but geeks nearly fell over their seats with the launch of the Dropbox app. I was one of them. The app is free and allows you to access your Dropbox account on the go. You can view Word or PDF docs, even listen to MP3s. Tap on the little mail icon and you can share those same files. The star icon is for favoriting a file. Once you tap a file as a favorite, it's automatically stored on your phone for fast access offline. Love it! App Judgment is brought to you by Netflix. With Netflix, you can rent over 90,000 titles online, including lots of Blu-ray titles, with free shipping both ways to your home. Plans start from $4.99. As a new member, you can get a no-risk 2-week free trial membership. Check it out at www.netflix.com/AJ. Remember to type in the www when using this code, please. Now back to Ron and Spreadsheets.
Well, this one's a no-brainer. Here's the breakdown on Spreet Pro. While it's a spreadsheet program and gets the job done, its clunky UI makes even the simplest task nearly impossible. Importing XLS files don't quite work as well as it needs to, and I can't believe I paid $4 for this. Don't download this app. Spreadsheet, on the other hand, looks and feels just like Excel on the phone and is fully fleshed out when it comes to formatting and manipulating data. The only drawback is it's a pain to open an existing spreadsheet that you get emailed to you. Download this app. Spreadsheets are a necessary evil when it comes to doing business, and if the application makes the experience of working with the spreadsheet a nightmare, it becomes that much more evil. But with Spreadsheet on my phone, I'll be able to rock my numbers from anywhere. So what do you think? Is there a better spreadsheet application for Android that I missed? Email us at appjudgment@revision3.com and let us know. And be sure to head over to revision3.com/appjudgment, where you can see all of our previous episodes as well as our discussion forums. I'm Ron Richards, and this was App Judgment, and I'm a huge dork for being excited about spreadsheets.